Hi there. I was here today at Fox Valley Technical College talking about franchising to SCORE mentors. And one of the questions that was asked of me is, do you help businesses to franchise their business? And good question for me since I did that about 20 years ago, right? And the answer is yes, we can also help with that. So at Integrity Franchise Group, one of the things that we have in our portfolio are companies out there that help you develop your franchise. So as I was talking to the SCORE mentors, I suggested to them that the most important thing is that as they lay out these independent businesses, it's a good lesson to lay your business out with the potential of franchising. It will help you as a business owner to scale your business and to see a future and a horizon outside of just what the widget is. So there's a lot of companies out there that will help you to franchise your business. And it's more than just getting that legal document, that FDD. A lot needs to go into it. You need to think about how are you going to be able to support other business owners, your industry, whatever your industry is as a business owner. Your job now is to support other business owners running your systems, giving them that support, earning that royalty. And so the answer is yes, we can help you identify different businesses to interview to help you not only franchise your business, but scale your franchised business. So I hope that helps.